Awesome job wiring up that data model. It's now time to move into the next stage of the business intelligence workflow and focus on data analysis expressions. So throughout this section, we're going to really focus on core DAX topics, understand how to create calculated columns, build out measures, and then use them to enhance our reports and deepen our analysis. Let's dig in. All right, so we're in great shape so far. We've connected to our source data, we've built out our entire data model, and now the only catch is that we're still pretty limited in terms of our metrics and quantitative values that we can use to analyze our data. So in this section, we're going to focus on using Power BI's formula language, which is called data analysis expressions, or DAX for short, to add brand new calculated columns and measures into our model. We'll introduce you to core DAX topics, calculated columns and measures, row and filter context, proper DAX syntax. We'll dig into some of the most common functions and function categories. We'll explore an extremely powerful function called calculate. From there, we'll jump into iterators. We'll talk about time intelligence and more. And by the end of this section, you'll have a solid understanding of these DAX fundamentals like row and filter context, common DAX functions and operators and patterns, and really begin to understand more complex DAX code like nested functions and time intelligence. All right, we've got a lot to cover in this section, so let's get started.